Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create story background text effect on CapCut PC. So first I'm just going to add the black screen to the track, and I'm just going add text, select the default text and change the text. For example, and just for the size and add the animation. So I'm select loop and select web. So, and I'm just going to export. So click export, and after that you are just going to delete the project and import that's created. So I have imported it here. Just add the track and just going to add effect, select effect, select video effect, go to nature and select story. So add the track just for the duration and just for the option in the right. We go. Yeah, that's it. This is the final result you have on your video. Thank you so much for watching.